Do you have a dirty carpet? Have you tried to clean it yourself and failed miserably? Are you fed up with staring at the stains, the dirt, the grime, and even pet stains? When it comes to finding a professional carpet cleaning service, you do not want to trust that job to just anyone. And when it's your home or business, you need to make sure that you are dealing with a carpet cleaning company that has the knowledge and experience to get the job done quickly and effectively. Clifford the Carpet Cleaner is here to help you. Whether your carpet cleaning needs are large or small, you deserve a professional, polite, punctual, and effective carpet cleaning service committed to saving you time and money. We will assess your carpet cleaning needs right on the spot and give you an estimate to get the job done right the first time. Clifford the Carpet Cleaner, for the best carpet cleaning service in Crystal, Minnesota. Contact us today. Call 763-545-1505 or visit cliffordthecarpetcleaner.com.